Top of the world, looking down on creation, and the only explanation I can find. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Roche, aka beautymagz. In today's video, I'll be doing a Shopee haul, and this time it is going to be an affordable, sexy, see-through, yes, lingerie panty haul. Yes, and again from Shopee because I love online shopping from Shopee. Yes, and it's very affordable and also very convenient. So the first see-through lingerie we have here. This is an affordable black see-through. Yes, it's very unique. One of a kind panty. Yes, this caught my attention. And look at this. Bam! Uh-huh. Butterfly, paru bukid. Yes, guys, look at that. Isn't that pretty? Sexy? Yes, of course. Here you go. You see at the middle? They have like, I don't know, some jewelries, bling blings over here. Look at that. Bam! Very unique design. Okay, let's take this tag off. All right, so price for this is above 65 pesos. I will put it here. I'll put it down somewhere over here. The price for this was around at 65 to 75 pesos. Yes, and yeah, when you do online shopping with shipping fee, of course. This is like thong style, right? But of course, see-through. Kita gyud ko maon. Yes. All right, guys. So again, look at that. Diva. Isn't that pretty? Okay, look at the side, you guys. Kaya parang disco. Yeah, you are a party. Party, panty. This is song like. Yes, tanga. G-string also type. Here, look at here. This is string here. And this is very strong design, solid. This can last long and very light material and well handcrafted too. The seams are great, look at that. This is so pretty. I do love the design. Isn't that pretty? So cute, you guys. I do love it. Don't give up on me, baby. Yes, don't give up, single people. Show it to the world that you are capable, right? So, yes, and marketable. Yes, boost your self-esteem. Be beautiful inside and out, and people would know, the beauty within. Back jam. Ano yan? Poetic. All right, you guys. So our next panty haul for today is again another black. Of course, it's one of my favorite color. Bam! Isn't that pretty? Okay, so take this off again. This one has a good design as well. Simple, delicate, but still look expensive and luxurious. Diva. All right, so you look at that, guys. Isn't it pretty? See? Top of the world, looking down on creation, and the only explanation I can find. Right? Don't give up on me, baby. Right, don't give up. You see, G-strings, you guys. Look at that. Bam! Show it to the world that you have a really, really round butt. Round bottom. This is very unique. Look at the hardware in front. Just a metal round here in a front circle, like gold. I don't know if this can last long because it's plated, right? So I don't know over time if this would turn into silver. Uh, I don't know. I look at the design over here. It's very ano siya, very very light. It's like if you wear this, you don't. It's like you don't wear anything in this one. Yeah, but you look at that, guys. Pretty, of course, see through. Yes, isn't that beautiful? Like this is so nice, you guys. Look at the back side too, right? Again, the price for this, somewhere around 60 or 55. Okay, just to make sure, I'll leave it down. Also, I will put it on the screen. And this is in Shopee again because it's very affordable. So nice, you guys. I love it. If you wear it, is this striking if single and also married? Yes, your husband must say, "Ooh la la," says who? Yes, this is so nice, pretty. Yeah, do you agree? I think so. So, which one of this that you prefer? I think both looks nice. I love it. Okay. So, again, this is my affordable Shopee haul. It's a black see-through lingerie panty haul. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon.